Hi YouTube, today is December the 29th and it's 2023 and I'm coming to you with a unboxing of some things that I got for Christmas and for my birthday, because my birthday is next month, so my birthday is not that far off. So anyway, I'm gonna start with this stuff really that my sister got me. Most of this is stuff that she got me because I just got this FedEx box over here today. So it's not really Christmas stuff, but it's just stuff that she sent me for Christmas and my birthday, both, since they're so both close, because my birthday is January the 6th, so I don't have that far to go for my birthday. Okay, but she sent me this box right here and I kind of opened it and peeked at it. So I'm going to open it up. Let's see if I move this down so you can see how I'm going to open this up. Let's move this back. I don't know if you can see it because this camera is up pretty high. But anyway, this is how it looks. It says Bienvenue chez Hermes. That's what this says. And I got this right here. Hermes Cellier is what it says. My French is not good. I don't speak French. Okay, and let's see what's in there. What's this? Oh my. What is this? This is like a little notebook. Isn't that cute? It's a little notebook. Hermes little notebook, and it comes in this very cute little box. And this is from my sister. She sent me all this stuff today. And that's very nice. So that's one thing, okay? And then I got some Louis Vuitton. What's this? On the beach. That's what this says. Louis Vuitton on the beach. I don't know if you can see that. And this one says City of Stars, Louis Vuitton. So I guess these are little perfume samples, perhaps. But look at the nice little bow. Here's the Hermes bow that it comes with. And is there anything else in here? I don't want to throw nothing away, and there's something else in here. Okay, I think that's it for that. And I'm gonna put that right back here in this box. But the real big unboxing is coming. I'm gonna do that last. Okay? Alright, here we go. And then she sent me this thing right here. Let's put this back up here. Get this right. I don't need y'all seeing this junky room. This is my cat's room. They got their own room. It's my cat's room. How about that? Pretty fancy for a cat to have your own doggone room. But they take over my room and they get in there, one on one side of my bed and one on the other. When it's time for me to go to bed, they in there growling. Like, oh, well, what you doing? Don't move us. I try to move them out the way so I can go to bed. And they both of them in there hissing and growling and stuff. Like, you know, they got a daggone nerve, and they got a nice little room here. This is a little sofa in here, and it opens out to a bed, so if my grandkids come over here or anything like that, they want to spend the night, they can open that out, but until they come, the cat's got it. Well, this is what she sent me, this little thing here. She wraps things so nice. I hate to even open them because she wraps them so nice. That's my sister. That's the one named Babs. Okay. Her name is Babs. And that's the little nickname. But that's the one that be sending me and be buying me stuff all the time. My older sister, that one, she don't live close to me. And I don't really see her and stuff like that. But once in a blue moon, like when she decides to come somewhere, I see her. So all of this stuff I'll be showing you from day one, from all of my videos, when I say my sister is the one named Babs. She's the one that be buying me stuff. She's the one that got all of this. Ooh, look. This says Diamonique. And it comes in this little pouch like that. And here we go. Open it up to show some earrings. How beautiful. Okay, so there's one in a little plastic bag, so they keep them separate so they don't get jacked up or anything like that. And these are little ear huggies, and they're so cute. I'm going to show you. It's Dominique. That's the brand. And it looks like the little Louis Vuitton, if you can see that. The little Louis Vuitton fleur-de-lis thing. That's what it looks like. So, that's it. Let's turn it. So, it's this way like that. So, you can see that. If you can see that. My little camera is not all that good. It's one of the little cheap cameras I bought from off of Amazon. But that's the earrings. Isn't that cute? Let's take out this other one and just show you both of them together. Look at that. So that's, whoa. So that's Dominique, little ear huggies, and they have the little fleur-de-lis. Isn't that cute? I hope y'all can see that, because this camera is just, you know, it's not one of those real good fancy $600, $700, $800 cameras, because I don't have that kind of money to be buying cameras like that. And I buy what my money can afford, which is not that much. But she got me these two. And it goes in this little box, as you saw. Oops, it's supposed to go in here first. It's supposed to go into this little pouchy poo. This little pouchy thing right here. And then it go back in this box. Now, the main thing I wanted to show y'all was this. What she bought me. It's this. It's going to be an unboxing of Louis Vuitton. Okay, it's Vuitton. Okay, so I'm going to just pull this off. I ain't even going to take off the thing. It's too pretty. It's too beautiful. So I just took off the little red bow. Here's the little red bow that came on there. And there it is again. And I'm going to turn it this way. And move all this stuff, because I got a tiny little table in here. Because this room is not that big. It's my kitty cat's room. And let y'all see this. Let y'all see this. What I'm trying to do here. Okay, so here it goes. I'm going to open it up. And I can take that out. One hand. And I'm going to get rid of this box. Here we go. And here's the dust bag. As you can see, Louis Vuitton. And I'm going to take it out, and then I'll put the camera back on me once I take it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh, looky here. I got a pouch, the 26. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And it has the leather here on the side. Okay, I'm going to put the camera back onto myself and then show you a little bit better. Hold on. Let me set up this camera again. Here you go. Here we go. I don't want it to fall because everything is makeshift up in here. I don't have nothing good. This is what I got. Isn't that beautiful? This is the 26-inch. And it has the leather on the side like that. And here's the zipper. I'm going to open it up and let you see. On the inside, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. If you can see on the side right here, it has some card slots, and it has like a little place where you can put stuff in there. And then you have just the general insides, and that's all in black, beautiful leather. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm gonna pause this for a minute and go get my one that's fake, and I'm gonna show you the difference. Hold on a second. I'm gonna just pause this, or maybe just have to shut it off and put it back on. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I went and got my one that I had showed you in a previous video. That was a replica that I got from DHgate, and this is it. And the zipper on here kind of is wonky, and it doesn't work right anymore. So anytime I close it up, like, you know, when the zipper just parts by itself, like, I'll zip it. I mean, I got my money's worth out of this. But this is the old one, and this is the the replica, and this is the real one. There you go. So let's put the real one on the top because it's a little bit bigger. There you go. This is the replica on the bottom, and this is the real one on the top. Okay. And I have a converter. I have the chain. I looked for the chain. I couldn't find the chain. But, I mean, I wore this thing out. This I wore a lot. And you can use that as a catch-all, or you could just use it as a shoulder bag. Because I bought this off of Amazon. And this is to make...